Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error the user profile service failed to sign in. To start, on the lock screen, click on the power off button and with the shift key, click on restart. This allows advanced startup to be activated. When accessing the menu, click on Troubleshoot and then on Advanced Options. After that, select the Startup Settings option. Click on Restart. After rebooting the system, press the F4 key to enter safe mode. Wait for this process to finish. Now right-click on Start and choose Run. Enter the regedit command and click OK. Afterwards, you will go to the path that you see on the screen. Here in the profile image path line, you can check that it is your user. Then double-click on the state value. In the value information field, assign the number 0. Click on OK. After this, right-click somewhere and select New and click on DWORD 32-bit value. You are going to set the ref count name. When you do, double-click on this new value and confirm that its value is 0. To complete the process, reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. When you log in, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as administrator and click Yes to access. In the console, scan the file system, run sfc/scano. Press the Enter key. Wait for this process to come to an end. When complete, scan the system image, run the command on the screen. It will be necessary to wait for this analysis to complete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.